Come test drive the 2010 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, side airbag system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.